Unlocking the mysteries of phrasal verbs. Find out. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to focus on a very common and important phrasal verb, find out. It's a simple combination, but it carries a lot of meaning and is widely used in everyday English conversation. In English, find out means to discover information. We use it when we learn something that we did not know before. Let's look at a few examples. 1. I need to find out what time the movie starts. 2. Did you find out who ate the last slice of cake? In these sentences, find out is being used to express the discovery of some information, whether it's the start time of a movie or the culprit behind the disappearance of the last slice of cake. The phrasal verb, find out, can be followed directly by a question word like what, who, when, where, or how. Alternatively, it can be followed by if or whether to indicate a binary yes, no discovery. Here are some examples. 1. Can you find out how much this costs? 2. I want to find out if the library is open today. Just like any verb, find out can be used in different tenses. Remember, though, that the out remains constant while find changes based on the tense. Here are examples. 1. Present simple, I find out new things every day. 2. Past simple, I found out that my friend moved to Canada. 3. Future simple, I will find out the results tomorrow. Remember, find out cannot be separated by the object when the object is a pronoun. For instance, we say, I need to find it out, is incorrect. Instead, we should say, I need to find out it. There you have it. Now you know how to use the phrasal verb, find out, correctly. With practice, you'll be using it in your conversations naturally and fluently in no time. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to mastering English is patience and consistency. See you in our next video, where we'll find out more about English phrasal verbs.